It's the extreme beauty factor. You know she's not an actor. Her content will leave you coming back for more, for more, for more, for more.
Hello everyone, this is Extreme Beauty Factor here, back with another video, guys. Y'all know what time it is. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. It's filming time. Hey, hey, it's filming time. Hey guys, I'm coming back with another video. This is a very different video. As y'all can see, my makeup is already done. I'm in the same clothes. I did another video before this, but this is the video that I got my month or seasonal, you know, from Fabfitfun came in on yesterday. It's the winter box, and that's the box that it came in. And I'm gonna show you some items that I got. I really particularly didn't care for this box this time. Okay. All right. Let's see. First, I'm gonna start with. They gave us some earrings. Well, gave me some earrings, and it was the Kate Spade. These are some cute earrings right here. I might try one on. Let me see what's. Oh, I like this one. Let me try this one. It's a heart shape. So I'm gonna put it in my second hole if it's still available, cause I ain't been putting. Okay. Let's see. Okay. See? Oh, that's cute. And it's Kate Spade. Okay. And then, put it in. So, there you go. That's the earrings that I got from them. And yeah, Kate Spade. They don't say anything. 2 earring sets, and that's it. Okay, that's it on that. And then and plus they gave a little cute bag to come with it. So I'm gonna put this inside my bag, my little earrings. Boom. I think it's cute. And then let me see. I get through with all the stuff they sent, all the papers. But they gave me more paper than anything. Then they gave me, what is this? Flight Mode Skincare. It's a high altitude hydration mask. And the directions is, I read it yesterday. Basically, after you clean your face, when you are ready to, like rest or whatever, you apply this to the mask to your face and neck and back, in the back of your hands. It will absorb while you are relaxed or asleep. No needs to rinse off. It is just massaging to your skin. So this right here is a mask that you can put on at night. So I'm gonna try it. I haven't tried it. I'll let y'all guys know how it works. And they don't have prices in these things. So I think the way Fabfitfun box works, if you want to add extras to your box, you can. You have to pay a little bit more money of things that you want. And this month I didn't buy anything because I didn't really see anything, and this is all I got in my box. So I really didn't care for the box. If you don't add extra to it, I don't think you. Well, I'm not gonna say you won't get it, but good things. But I feel like I should have got a little bit more than I'm paying $49 for seasonal for this. I don't know how much this stuff costs because they don't give a book. Let me see if they got one or not, okay? All right, that's that. And then we got pore purifying cleanser. And this is Dr. Brandt right here. It's for oily and combination skin. It'll work for me because I got oily combination T-zone area, whatever. So I'm gonna try that out. Let me see how it looks first. It's kind of, let's see if it's clear. Oh, wait a minute. It might have a thing on it, y'all. You know what? I'm not gonna open it because I still got a cleanser. And once you open these things, that's when the time starts ticking. So no, I'm not gonna do that. What else they gave me? They gave me a daily facial dry brush for radiant skin. Daily concept. This brush right here. And they said the best result to incorporate it into your AM routine. Always use a daily face dry brush only on dry, freshly clean face. Wetting the brush would damage the integrity of the quality. Use this brush by swiping motion along the forehead, down the nose, the chin, and outward strokes across the cheeks, down the neck, stimulating lymphatic pathways, encourage drain. Well, yeah, it's telling you everything. I ain't reading all that, but you got the gist, right? So let's take it out and let's see what it is. So, oh, I'm tearing up the box. And this is how the brush looks. I like the wood. I like the wood part. Look at it. It's not hard. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's kind of soft. It won't be too bad. Okay, some of these brushes be hard, and I was not gonna put that on my face, but I'm gonna try this out. So they say the best results is the AM when you do your routine in the morning. So once I do my facial cleanser and everything, I'll try the dry brush method and see what happens. Okay, okay. All right, and then the next thing they gave me was this little, it's called Below the Belt. Right here, a little wallet, got a little thing, you know, zipper part in the back, and you can put your cards right here. I mean, it's cute. It's cute. It can do what it's supposed to do. I don't have a need for it right now, but I will keep it and see, do I have a need? I'll give it to somebody else. But yeah, there you go. And what else? They gave me, which I really need these. These are a cutting board set of 4, and it's called. I ain't even gonna butcher this. There you go. And I'm gonna take them out and show the colors that they have. I'm excited. Look, I'm more excited by the boards in the whole box. Let's see. Oh my God, I like this. And see the colors they got? They got the green, and they got another green. Well, this right here like a teal green. This is like a green. It's got a yellow, and it's got a red. So this is dishwasher safe. Okay. Oh, and it tells you what you can use it for. This right here is basically like for, excuse me y'all, for seafood. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. That's for seafood. And this one is for veggies. See, I like that. I like that. And then you got some for your meat, so you won't cross-contaminate, you know? I like that. And you got some for your beef. Ha! I like that. I'm excited. Now this, look, y'all, I'm more excited about the cutting board than the... I am more excited about the cutting board. This is sad. Okay. And then, the last but not least, I like this one too. This one too. It came in the box like this. It's called Lily. I ain't gonna mess it up. It's a ceramic mug of 2. I'm gonna put it right here so y'all can see. If y'all can sound it out and say it, you know who it is. Alright, let me take it out the box. Look, I love mugs, right? Y'all, look at this. Look at this. And it's got her initials in the middle. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the color. Look at it. Look at that. And look at that. I might drink out this today. Yes. And they got another one that's the same. I think, yeah, it's the same thing. So I'm not even gonna unwrap that. So that came in my box. It's a couple of things that I'm excited about. I'm more excited about the cutting board and the mug than anything. And then they gave me little coupons and stuff like this. So magazine, the Fabfitfun book, stunning. You know, who is this on here? Katie Couric, telling the unvoiced story. Calming yoga. I guess she do yoga. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. They do have the prices. I was wrong. Forgive me. All right, the Lily mug set, ceramic mugs set up to $42. Ooh, okay. Then, what is this? The Dr. Brandt what I have got. Let me see. Do I see it down here? $36. Okay, well, maybe I done spoke too quickly because these prices is over what I paid, okay? Okay, I like these glasses. They should have gave me that. Okay, the earrings, case space set. Y'all quit playing. You know these studs cost $68? Okay. Okay. I'll take back what I said, okay. Gotta be careful how you speak. Okay, here is the cutting boards. I definitely want to see how much the cutting boards are. Oh, okay. Well, they $19. $19 for the board. Okay, what is this? Below the belt, how much is that? Do I see it? Okay, let me talk about the dry brush is $20. Okay. Y'all, quit playing. Quit. Y'all, look. This thing right here, below the belt, costs $35. I'm done. Okay. I put my foot in my mouth. So, let's see what oh yeah, I forgot about my eyeliner, y'all. Cause I used it in the video. Let me get that. Let me clean it off because I got stuff on it. This right here is look. I'm not good at sounding out words. That's that. This is the liner, how it came, and it works well. The brush is stiff. It goes straight across, and people that's first timers, I feel like that's better for them than the brush being real flimsy. This is a good brush for them. So this right here costs $21. Okay. Yeah, so I think that's all I got in my box. So yeah, they do got a book to tell you the prices that's in there, so that's great. Okay, I didn't know that, but now I know. And this is how the box looks, so y'all can see it up close. Since I couldn't, that box was big. And like I said again, if you want extra in your box, you have an opportunity to get extra in your box if you have the funds to do that. Now, once you don't do that, you get what they give you in the box. You understand? All right. And it's seasonal. You get it summer, fall, and winter. That's when you get the boxes. I mean, that's why I did it, because I don't want to buy a box every month. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to do that. Then they gave me this Get Cozy with HBO Max 14. I want to try this because Wonder Woman is coming on Christmas, and I am a Wonder Woman fan. So I want to try this. So I don't know whether my husband, what we're going to do, because our cable provider doesn't allow you to just get the app and just turn it on like DirecTV, because my sister, she just got the app and hers work, but we have to call our provider just to get the app. What sense does that make? Anywho, but I'ma still try this because it was in my box. And then you got here, I want to try HelloFresh. Anybody try HelloFresh? If y'all did, you know, let me know in the comment section below and tell me how it is or whatever, because they say 9 meals across 9 meals across 5 boxes, including free shipping on the first box. They give you a code and they give you fresh stuff. So I want to try it. And I got 30 days to claim this. That will look good. So this is the coupon on the front. So that was in my box, which I was happy about that, and this, because we were just talking about HBO Max. And then, what is this? Dear self, today you will shine. I'm gifting you $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. I love you because, okay, this is something that you can give a friend. So I don't know. Let me see. I'm gonna figure out who I'm gonna give this to. I might put it in the. I might give this to my sister. Yeah, I might give it to my sister. I don't know. somebody that will buy. I don't want to get nobody that's not gonna use it, you know. So yeah, that's a good thing. And over 60 years print. Okay, this is the lady that did the mugs. She said over 60 years of print, color, and joy. Here's our highlight reel. It started with a shift dress with an ambitious woman who wanted to do things her own way, and the perfect island home of the Palm Beach. It's a juicy story. Visit us sometime and we will spill it all. And enjoy 10% off your first purchase. So if you want to order again, you get 10% off your first purchase. Okay. And the next thing I got is a little sticker. I don't know where I'm gonna stick this sticker. I don't know. So I'll find some way to stick it or give it to my grandbabies. Okay. And then lastly, we got here wine. Only thing about them, they want you to have a subscription, and I don't drink wine like that. No. And their wine, oh my God, if you don't get it right, it's nasty. Brenda Harris, no. Me and my sister tried it. It's called Bright Cellars. Discover your wine you love. Feel lucky, scratch off to see your credit. So I haven't did that. So I might get this to somebody that drink wine or whatever, or good at, you know, knowing what wine they want or whatever. So I might get them that. That's it. That is all in my Fabfitfun box, y'all. If y'all like these type videos, let me know. And I don't think I want to try any more boxes right now. If I find one kind of like Fabfitfun that spaces it out, I might do that, because I don't want to do it monthly. Because I tried that before and they, you know, some of the stuff wasn't good, wasn't worth the money. Nah, I don't want to go through that again. But anywho, if y'all like this video, give it a like. And y'all please push that bell, push the subscription button. And I would gladly appreciate it. And my and I should say this at the beginning. My returning subscribers, love you, love you, love you. And my new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. And I love y'all guys. And when there's an event, I got some content. And I'll see y'all what? In the next video. Love you guys. I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys that I love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. And when there's an event, I got some content. And guess what? I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys.